Dahil may binisita kaming astig na lugar sa Manila.
Ang kauna-unahang astig talaga to. Ang kauna-unahang metered parking system sa buong bansa ay formal nang binuksan sa Binondo, Manila.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Ito lang naman ay tulad ng mga ginagamit sa bansang Europa at Amerika. Kaya mga kababayan, ito po ang
Just Check In.
Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa may Binondo, sa may Maynila. Hindi para sa Chinese New Year kasi medyo next month pa yon, pero para ipakita sa inyo kasama ng Manila Parking Management ang isang sobrang cool na bagay. Ito ang kauna-unahang metered parking dito sa bansa. It's like the ones that they use in Europe and in the States. Feel ko sobrang cool nito. Kaya let's go, let's check this out.
Officially launched our parking meter last January 4 with the presence of our City Mayor of Manila, Mayor Alfredo S. Lim. Well, ang considering factor namin bakit dito initially nag-umpisa at in-introduce ang aming parking meter, it is because one of the factor is City of Manila, historically the oldest city in the Philippines. Second, Binondo area is one of the busiest commercial and trading business center. So, ang pangatlo, ito po ang lugar na busy sa traffic and hindi na na-organize ang parking system.
Okay, Sir Freddy, you've talked about the parking, the metered parking. Now, can you show us how it works?
Very simple. Ang mechanic po niya is press the desired parking slot number. So, one, nandun kayo. Then tap your card and you're already in. So make sure na when you park out, you have to tap out again. Press and then tap para mag-out po yun. Otherwise, yung load niyo po, uubusin ng system. Second, mabablock po ang inyong card. You cannot use with other parking meter.
Okay, so pag nag-blink na po siya, that means, nabayaran niyo na.
Active po yung inyong parking slot, so dapat mag-out po kayo.
Okay. So now, okay na.
Nakain po yung 20.
Sorry po, pero papalitan natin yan. Okay. So it's very, very simple to use naman pala. It's very easy. So ang pag-count po is 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi apat lang po yung parking slots.
So 1 to the left.
To the left.
Kasi ang parking meter po natin nasa gitna ng apat na slot.
Okay, so gitna ng dalawa.
Opo. Ang capacity lang ng bawat parking head, apat na parking slot.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Alright. Very simple to use, guys.
Gusto po namin makatulong sa city government, especially sa Manila po. With this Manila Parking Management, ang commitment po namin with the barangay level, up to the city government, ay yung mapanatili po ang ating lugar, especially doon sa mga hindi inaabot po ng mga street cleaners. We have our own personnel na maglilinis po niyan, mapanatili, malinis at maayos yung lugar na paparadahan ng ating road user at parking user. Pangalawa, meron po tayong mga marshals na mag-iikot. 24 hours po yun para to ensure the security, including the community. Siyempre, with the aid of our CCTV camera, matutulungan po in terms of security sa community. Tapos, with respect to our friend from the Traffic Bureau, meron po kaming on-call mechanic to immediately give assistance to our motorists na nasiraan. Alam niyo naman po, pag nasiraan sa daan, magiging cause naman po ito ng traffic. So, we see to it na pwede natin mabigyan ng assistance po yun to all motorists. With social media po, we have our Facebook na po, Manila Parking Management. I-click nyo lang po at i-like lang po ang Manila Parking Management. And we have our satellite office po sa Orbis Tondo. Or, para po madali, pwede nyo pong kausapin ang aming mga parking attendant.
Ayan mga friends and followers, meron na naman tayong bagong na-discover. We do hope that this meter parking system works para makatulong sa pag-decongest ng traffic at pag-solve ng parking problems dito sa Manila. Hindi lang siguro sa Manila, siguro kung magtuloy-tuloy pa to, sana rin sa buong country. For Just Checked In, this has been X.